Hi, this is Mr. Hove from Bluefin Vision. The video today explains the difference between ICL and lens replacement surgery. So, in ICL surgery, we are typically doing this surgery because the patient isn't a candidate for laser eye surgery, typically because their prescription is too high to be treated either with hyperopic or myopic prescription. So if it's a hyperopic prescription, it's normally that their prescription is +6 or more. And if a myopic, it's normally that their prescription is more than -10. And implantable Collamer lens puts a plastic Collamer material lens into the eye, which goes and sits behind the colored part of the eye, so behind the iris, in front of the natural crystalline lens. Whereas with the lens replacement surgery, we are actually removing the crystalline lens from inside the eye and replacing it with a plastic lens which sits in the original capsule which held the original lens. So in one, we're putting a lens in on top of the natural lens, that's ICL surgery, and in the other, we're taking out the crystalline lens and putting a new lens in the original bag which held the original lens.